Hello little artist, I'm Mariana Olson and today we are drawing Christmas cards. Are you ready? Let's do this. Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with, I'm using markers, and something to draw with. I will use a black marker and you will need scissors. We're gonna fold the paper in 4 parts, so I'm gonna go in half first and make sure to press really good in the corners. Now we're gonna fold in half again and we're gonna open the paper and we're gonna draw in here. We're gonna trace a square in each section. So we're gonna go around here and you can also use the fold paper if you want to. Next, we're gonna cut the paper in 4 sections following the folding lines. Now we're gonna start drawing, and this part of the video is gonna go a little faster, but remember that you can stop the video if you need more time. Okay, little artists, that's it for today's video. Here you can see how my cards turn out now that we put all the colors. Remember that you can change all these messages. Mine are in Spanish, but you can put whatever you want on them. And so if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons like this one. See you next time.